Welcome, in front of me is an LG Velvet, and today I'll show you how to record your screen. So to get started, let's find the toggle for it in the notification panel, which for me is located right over here. And you want to hold this. So it'll take us to the settings where we can customize a couple of settings. So number one, we have audio source. Choose which audio source you want. You only can choose one or the other, so you can either have your microphone, which will listen to, for instance, you, or the content, which is whatever the phone will be, whatever the sound phone will be making. Then we also have resolution. I advise you to either go for 1080p or 720, nothing below that really. I'm gonna stick to 1080p right here, and then we also have include yourself in a video, so you can select either an image, which is an interesting idea, so you can take a photo or just use one that you already have, or you can use a front camera. Now you also, apart from that, have the slider. This is just how big the circle will be, and it is the actual size right here. So select the size that you want, if you even want the video feed right here, and from there you can leave it and simply tap on the toggle to start recording. So let's tap on this, it will just agree to it. We'll start recording now, and there we go. There's also the camera, as you can see, and yeah, that is how you would record. And whatever you will do right now on the screen will be recorded. Whatever you open will also be recorded. Actually, with some kind of drawbacks, things like Netflix cannot be recorded. Just thought I should mention that. And once you're done, you simply need to tap on the square right here, and it ends the video. I'm also gonna mute the sound. I'm gonna now go into the gallery right here, and just simply play back the video. And for some reason, there we go, now it's muted. So as you can see, whoa, that looked horrendous. Apparently the video recording on here is not very good. As you can see, with any kind of movement it just falls apart. So yeah, just keep that in mind. I just look at it once more. Yeah, it looks disgusting. But yeah, that is how you would record the video on here. Now personally, I would suggest that you download a better app from Play Store, because just by looking at this at maximum settings, this is not very usable in my opinion, especially if you're, for instance, planning to use it for gaming. But if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.